Welcome to Bahamas Educational Express, Religious Knowledge Lesson, The Nature of God, Part 3, The Four Gospels. Discussion time. What is the Bible? Do you know what the Bible is? I want you to think about it now. What do you already know about the Bible? The Bible is the biggest selling book in the world. Bibles come in different shapes and sizes, and they have been translated in almost 700 languages. In this lesson, you, the learner, will be able to describe the New Testament as a record of Jesus' life and teaching. State what a gospel is and identify the four gospels. Discover teachings that are common to all four gospels. Explore ways to share the good news about Jesus. The Bible is divided into two main parts: the Old Testament and the New Testament. The books of the Bible. The Old Testament is the first part of the Bible, and it is made up of 39 books. The New Testament is the second part, and it is made up of 27 books. The New Testament is a record of Jesus' life and teachings. It is a collection of 27 books written by several authors. The first four books of the Bible, the New Testament, are Matthew, Mark, Luke, and John. These are called the Gospels. The word gospel means good news. The gospel writers were so excited about their good news that they wanted to share it with others. They wanted people to know that Jesus was the Messiah. They also wanted to preserve the message of Jesus for future generations. These men wrote the four Gospels: Matthew, Mark, Luke, and John. Discussion time. Can you explore ways to share the good news about Jesus? Pause the video and let us discuss. Thank you for your discussion. This has been your lesson on the nature of God, the four Gospels.